Managing community events requires coordination across many government departments and can be a really complex challenge. As community events increase in size and number, reviewing these event applications, dealing with logistics, and ensuring public safety are just a few of the growing challenges faced by governments of all sizes. Esri's Community Events solution is a collection of map and app templates that are designed to optimize the workflows that go into managing these special events. The first application that I'm going to go over is called the Events Permit application. This app is designed for use by the general public to submit a permit for a new event. Governments can add this application to their existing web page, and this can be done by either providing a web link to the application or simply embedding the site into an existing page. The person that's planning the event, like the event coordinator, fills in information like the event name, which in this case is the MS Walk, the event type, which is a charity or fundraiser, event description, and then information like the event start and end dates. The second half of the form has questions about the event specifics, like whether this is going to be an annual event, if it's open to the public, and if food or alcohol will be served. These questions are helpful to identify which internal staff members need to approve this permit. At the bottom of the form, I've added the location of the event, which can be done by either typing in an address or simply clicking a place on the map. The application is then submitted and will be reviewed by internal staff members. Once the permit is submitted, that information is automatically added to a second app called the Event Sites Map. This application serves as a record of all the event permits that have been submitted over the years. So this is a list of all the event permits. Some of the permits have already been approved, while others are still going through the approval process. I have the MS Walk event selected, and here's the permit application for the event. As you can see, the original application information is automatically added to this map. I can use this application to start adding in event assets using the Event Editor tool. Event assets include things like water fountains, parade routes, bathrooms, and bleachers. Some assets have already been added to the MS Walk event, like the walking course, parking lots, first aid tents, and bathrooms. Now that we've started identifying these different resources that are needed to support this event, we can actually begin the permit review process using the Event Permit Review app. This application is designed to allow those internal departments, like parks, fire, and police, to review the application and submit their comments. You'll notice that this application looks really similar to the last app that I had open, since all that event information that was added in the previous application is automatically added to this map. If I click this comment button, then I can submit a new comment about the plan. So if I'm the reviewer, I'll go ahead and add in my name, select my department, and then add in my comments and instructions. As you can see, I already have comments from the Public Works and Police Department. The Public Works reviewer has requested that additional trash cans and bathrooms be added to this event plan. This app really enables collaboration. We have all these different internal departments reviewing the same permit application in the same common, easy-to-use web application, and this can really speed up the review process. The last part of the workflow that I'm going to go over is communicating information out to the public. What I have here is an application called the Events Map Gallery, and this app is designed to be used by the general public to find information about an event. You can either link to this page or embed it in an existing community events webpage. So in this gallery, there are maps for a few different events over the next few months. The public can use these maps to locate information about events and find out which streets are going to be closed and where to park. So you make changes and updates to the event plan in one location, and those updates automatically feed into all these other different applications. The last app that I want to talk about is called the Events Calendar. The Events Calendar is a great way for people visiting your county or city to find information about different events in the area. They can find this information by either clicking a point on the map or typing in an address and then applying a buffer distance. Let's say a 1-mile buffer distance from the location of their hotel. They can also choose to filter events by a date range as well. So managing community events requires coordination across different government agencies, and this can easily turn into a logistical nightmare. As community and special events continue to grow in size and number, it's important that you have the tools that enable you to efficiently manage these event applications, coordinate logistics, and ensure the safety and well-being of your public.